bird is loving to dig through the bag.
He likes his sweater.
Caleb, don't grab at him. Don't grab him. Just, you can pet him like this, real softly and gently.
Oh my.
It's okay. He's not going to hurt you. I know he has a really intimidating beak, but... There you go, just like that. Because birds are very...
You're gonna poke a hole in that water block. He's not.
What are you doing?
I wonder, will he? I found a lady captain bird. Just walking around with him.
Oh my goodness, how funny are you? Now she's poking at the camera. He came up and poked the head of the camera. Oh! It's recording. I wish you could see the other side. He's trying to eat the side of the camera. Do the other side, bird.
Hello. Nice to meet you.
Oh my gosh, this is hilarious.
Whoa, that's gonna eat me. Ew.
Caleb, don't do that. Don't do that. You were... Art. It's recording. You should do what it's recording. This is so funny.
Oh, he likes
He's
you.
back to your backpack, Art. Yeah, he's been at it. He's been texting on the phone for a while. Okay, Caleb, move your hand.
Buddy, don't stand on the rock.
He's checking on your phone and...
My mobile phone is in there.
That's funny. He's
Pecking at it.
There is the same one.
No, it's a different one. It's the same time. But
No. You don't need it now. He's opening up a big zipper. Really? Yeah, he's opening up a zipper. Yep. There's another one.
He really likes you, Art.
Let's see if I can catch
He really likes you. I think it's because you're wearing the backpack in his favorite color. Oh, there he goes back to Cameron's back. This bird is cracking me up. He loves bags.
I guess it's like something on the backpack that they like.
He likes to look in it.
I just like backpacks.
It's not the milk. Is it feeding time yet?
A lot of pockets they go into.
It's on his shoulder. He did this.
He's back to Art.
He's on the shoulder.
Crack me up, birdie. Hi, birdie.